To share with you my review of the Peekaboo Interactive Bunny by Peekapets. I purchased the Peekaboo Bunny for a gift for my daughter during Christmas, as I was looking for something that was cute, interactive and exciting. And boy, did this bunny deliver. 7 months later, and here it is, living in this little pram here. It's my daughter's daily favourite toy. If it's not in the pram or getting pushed around in the pram, my daughter would be dancing to its songs, running around while bopping to her beats, or giving it big cuddles and kisses. Now you may be asking what makes this bunny so special. Well, let me tell you about some of its irresistibly cute features, and I'll give you a demonstration. But first off, this rabbit plays a super fun game of peekaboo when you press its foot, and the bunny's ears move up and down to cover its eyes while it says, "Peekaboo, I see you." It's beyond adorable and always gets giggles from my little one and any child, even the adults that come over. It has 2 modes. So I'll show you down here. Once you turn it around, it's got nighttime mode up here and a sun, which is a daytime mode. So the daytime mode has cheerful songs and cheeky peekaboo, and nighttime mode is yawning and calming sounds with lullabies. So I'll just quickly show you the daytime mode. Let's pop it down. Now press the left foot. Show you a few of them. So she giggles and she makes different sounds. And if I press the right foot, that's my daughter's favourite. She's always dancing to this one here. There's lots of fun, livelihood music with lots of energy, as you can see. And if I turn it around and switch her to night mode, you'll notice how much slower she is and calmer. She helps relax the little ones. And notice the light on her stomach is changing a lot slower as well. So the rabbit yawns, encouraging sleep. And we got nice calming music. The bunny is made from ultra soft plush material, making it perfect for those snuggles. It's safe for children age 1 and up, and it's perfect for those tiny little hands to hold and play with the rabbit. We have loved using this bunny during playtime, during nappy changes. We put it on the change table from time to time, and even at bedtime by the bedside table. It's become a comforting presence for my child and a fun way to wind down before sleep. Sometimes we even bring it along in car rides for our daughter's entertainment. My experience with the Peekaboo Interactive Bunny has been wonderful so far. It's so durable, easy to clean, and hasn't shown any signs of wear and tear, even with the daily use. The battery life is impressive too. We haven't had to replace them yet, and they did come with 3 AA batteries. So if you're looking for an affordable friend for life for your child, a cute and cuddly toy that would certainly keep your child occupied and dancing in happiness, the Peekaboo Interactive Bunny is a fabulous gift idea that brings endless smiles and laughter. My family highly recommend.